So with my buddy, Big Steve right here. What's going on, guys? Flipping this house right here. Decided I'd pay him a visit. What'd you get this one for, Steve?
We got this for $120.
120. All right. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Are you keeping this front door? I assume you are, right?
No, we're replacing.
Oh, you are.
We don't like the brass.
Oh, okay. And what color paint you painting all this?
Agreeable gray.
Agreeable gray from Lowe's.
Mm-hmm.
I use that same exact one.
Sherwin-Williams.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we opened it up to here just to give it that.
Oh, you removed the whole wall.
Yeah, give it that open concept.
Oh, cool. You keeping those cabinets?
No.
Now you're not?
No. They look out of place in here. We got a little island that we bought. We're taking this out. We're gonna paint the island and then paint the cabinets and then do granite.
You sure you don't want to keep this? It's nice, man.
Right?
And are you replacing these nice blinds right here, man?
Yeah, definitely.
You are? You're gonna just get the normal blinds?
This just happened the other day.
These don't look bad though.
Yeah.
Window crack just happened?
Just happened, yeah.
How'd that
I
happen?
have no idea.
What is it, 2-bedroom, 1-bath?
It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
3-bedroom, 2-bath, wow. Okay, yeah, this is a tiny one.
Yeah.
The closet's right there, okay, got it.
Yeah. I don't know, this is a spare bathroom. I don't know if you'll be able to see it without a light. We don't have.
Oh, you don't have a light in here?
Unfortunately.
So this is just the hallway bathroom right here?
And here's the.
So was this whole place carpeted?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, they just ripped out the carpet today.
And what are you gonna put in here? New carpet?
Yeah, we got laminate.
So is there a master bedroom in here?
Right here.
Oh, cool, man.
Master. Then you got the master bed. Doing tile floors. We're gonna do a tile shower in here. A walk-in shower.
You're gonna replace the vanity too,
Yeah,
I
replace the
assume?
vanity, replace the toilet.
Oh.
Then you got the
Nice walk-in closet
walk-in
too.
closet. Yeah, that's the size of these bedrooms.
So you said you bought it for 120, right?
120. Yeah.
To get that 120, you use hard money?
Yeah, so we use our money for the renovation, and then we use hard money to purchase the house.
And what interest rate are you paying on that?
So it's 10.5.
10.5%? Okay.
But then it acquires, so it's like $30 in points a day.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, so it comes out to be, if we end up flipping it and selling it within 4 months, then we're paying right around 9%
Okay.
interest. If it's 10 or 6 months, it's around 11, 12.
And you got funded for the whole 120K?
Yeah.
Okay. So how long do you think it'll take? You think it'll only take 4 months to finish all this selling?
We literally started this last Thursday, and yeah, we're painting on this Friday. They're doing the roof today, so we'll probably be done in like 3 weeks.
You gonna replace that fan right there?
Yeah, definitely.
Look, I've never seen something that tiny before.
Right? It actually works really good
So
though.
so you bought it for 120. You expect to sell it in about 4 months for 200, right?
Yep.
And you expect to put what, 25 to 30 into it?
About 25, yeah, 30, max 30. So.
That means you're all in for about 155-ish, or 150, and then plus the cost of the money, another 10,000.
Yeah.
So you're all in for 160. You sell for 200.
Yeah, it's
And then what kind of fees come with? How many flips have you done so far? Is this your second?
This is our 4th.
Oh, fourth.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know all the extra costs. So
All
explain
the
some of the
costs, yeah.
explain some of the extra costs
You
with
got
that.
your closing costs, you have your realtor fees, you have the interest on the money, then the taxes. Of course.
And the seller subsidy and all that.
Yeah.
And Uncle Sam is the big one, right?
Here's my contractor right here.
What's his
Come on,
name?
David.
Say hi, David.
Hey, how you guys doing? It's sold for $199. That's 1,074 square feet. Ours is 1,200, so that puts us at I found multiple comps that put us at 210, 220.
So you're being pretty conservative with the 200.
200, yeah. So we're at least get 200. We'll probably ask 215. I mean, one of the comps put us at 221. So
wow,
it definitely helps having two baths and that master closet.
right?
It's the size of another bedroom.
Master bathroom cell. So Steven, where'd you find this house anyway?
So we actually found this from doing using our virtual assistants, doing our calls.
Oh, okay.
So
Oh,
we,
cool.
we skipped trace the list and found of absentee owner list, and
your virtual assistant is from where? Philippines?
yeah,
And so he's just cold calling owners of houses and then sending them to you?
Absolutely.
And then you talk to them and make an offer on their house?
yep, absolutely.
Okay. And then that's how you find distressed properties, right there.
Yep.
got a-
We do door hangers, we got signs, we do a little bit of everything.
You do cold calling all the time too,
Cold
right?
calling, yep.
How many virtual assistants do you have? Just one?
3.
Oh, you have 3. Okay. So did you get an inspection on this property before you bought it?
Yep.
You did?
We do that with all our properties.
And did they find, what did the inspector say when he came over here? Did he find anything bad?
No, not really. There was just some in the back corner of the roof. There had been some leaking.
Okay, so
yeah,
that's why you replaced it?
Yeah, that was the reason why we replaced it. And there was some mold up there, so we're getting the mold treated.
So why didn't you just replace that part of the roof instead of replacing
Because the whole roof, there were shingles falling off on this side
okay.
of the house. I mean, it definitely needed to be replaced.
Gotcha. So if anyone's looking for a house in North Chesterfield, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath,
Absolutely.
you got your guy right here.
Now this